home, Greenfield at home. 2 schools around here. We're going to try to figure out something else as well. So look for a poll on Twitter tomorrow. That will go. Otherwise, back to Elijah.
42-27 here. 11-12 left here. 11-12 left to go here in the second half. 42-27. Let's talk about Oak Creek here. Wait, what's going on here? We got some action going on here on the student section with the police. I don't think it's the things are starting to look out of hand for Franklin now as Oak Creek's pulled away with their biggest lead, 15. Three-point shot. Oh, he didn't take it. Miro drives in the paint. Blocked. Joey Flaherty now passes it. RJ Davids. Brom. Flaherty drives. He's going to slow it down here. Yep, slow it down. Flaherty taking on the right side. Top of the key, Noah Daniels. Daniels looking for somebody. Pump fake, jab step. Brom to the top of the key. Brom drives on his right side. Isaac Neal's calling for the ball really bad. Oh, how did Brom get so wide open? He lays that in, and it's 44-27 Oak Creek. Wow.
Penetration, that's how he got wide open. Getting around the Franklin defender, able to get in like that with a good by Drew Brom.
Oh, shot no good as Jax Burks falls. Here come the Oak Creek Knights in transition right now. Bounce pass to Drew Brom in the paint. Oh, no good. Padel taking up the floor. Miro, deep three. Air ball almost touched the rim though. Gardner with the rebound. Being guarded tight. Gardner, it looks like he's trying to go up with it. No. Miro, blocked by Davis! Oh my goodness! It's a block beach party here in Oak Creek right now. 44-27. Coach Johnson for Oak Creek telling them to settle it down here. And a technical foul called on. Wait, what's going on here? What they call there? Do you know, Matt Peck?
Seriously, we need this. Seriously, this is why basketball is getting so soft. He said technical foul call against you. This is the problem. You can't have this. One little word that's said, and you're getting a technical foul. No cuss word, just questioning the call. We've seen a lot of it over the last year or two in the WIA.
Well, it looks like it wasn't a technical as Oak Creek still gets the ball. RJ Davis chance coming back in it here. Talking. Brom, layup, no good. Isaac Neal, they got to fight for that one. Oh, Jax Burks takes it away. Transition, Jax Burks. Blocked again. Nothing going for Franklin here right now. They only got 27 points and we're only 9 minutes left in the game. RJ Davis. Now, take it up, top of the key, guarded tight. Padel. Noah Daniels. Passes it, RJ Davids to Joe. For the bucket, and that one rolls out of bounds. Franklin ball. Or Franklin ball, I should say. Padel will be in front. Looks like Jax Brooks. Jacquees Brooks is in front out here right in front of us. Pretty good football player.
Yeah, known for that historical Hail Mary catch at the beginning of the last season against Appleton North.